Hey everybody, I hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. Today I'm going to be working on an 11 by 14 canvas, and I will be using this cup that I cut the bottom off. I've done a previous video where I used toilet paper rolls, so I thought I would just try a cup. It's a little bit bigger and I had it laying around. So the colors I'm using today, Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, and my white is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I'm going to be starting with the white that I have in my bottle because all my colors have 3-in-1 silicone in them, and I don't want this one to have the silicone in to start. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom and then put the cup, get a little bigger, put the cup in there. And I'm going to start with the blue. And I did mix the, once I put the silicone, I was trying to only put 2 or 3 drops, but I think I got like 4. So, I did give it a little zhuzh to mix it up in there because it was kind of sitting on top. So now in the past what's happened is it's kind of lifted. Now I don't see that happening. So I just want to lift just a little, not a lot, just a little bit. So a little bit of color. It looks like it's starting to come out. So what I'm going to do is get my heat gun, kind of go around. Put a little more white. There's actually more bubbles in there than I wanted. I'm trying to pour slow. There we go. There's some color coming out. Okay. Okay guys, this turned out really, really cool. I don't know if you can see how vibrant these colors are, but there's just cells and cells and cells. I know there's a glare, but there's just cells everywhere. I'm not normally, you know, that excited about cells because I'm more of a lacing person. But I kind of like this. I really like this. And the colors blended so cool. I got this bright pink out of it, and there's a little bit of purple in there too. It turned out so pretty. Wow. Wow, that is so cool. Well, I hope you guys like this as much as I do, because it is pretty amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.